viewers, you are still with me, Iva Fosia, in program FSY Breaking News. Here, I will accompany you to listen to some breaking news from Bangkalan, Madura. COVID-19 cases in Bangkalan, Madura increasing. After the Eid holiday, cases of COVID-19 in 4 districts on Madura Island, East Java have soared. The 4 regions with an increase in COVID-19 cases are Bangkalan, Sampang, Pamekasan, and Sumeneb regencies. It is suspected that the community lacks discipline in implementing health protocols. According to the public relation of the Bangkalan Regency government's COVID-19 task force, Agus Sugianto Zain, Bangkalan is now listed as the district with the highest number of active cases, due to the addition of new cases in the last 3 days, with the surge in COVID-19 cases in Bangkalan. 2 health service facilities in Bangkalan, namely the Arosbaya Health Center and Tonggu Health Center, were closed. This is because there are 29 health workers on duty at the Puskesmas infected with COVID-19. After the Eid holidays, the highest COVID-19 cases in Bangkalan occur in Arosbaya district and currently has a COVID-19 red zone status. However, in 17 other sub-districts in Bangkalan, COVID-19 cases are still under control. Government has been assisted by the East Java Provincial Government to carry out swabs and tracing in the field. He hopes that the public is willing to follow all government recommendations so that the COVID-19 case in Bangkalan can be suppressed and not spread. Spokesman for the COVID-19 Task Force Bangkalan Regency, Madura, East Java, Agus Sugianto Zain revealed the condition of the COVID-19 patient being treated at the Sarifah Ambami Ratoepu Hospital, Bangkalan. According to him, many COVID-19 patients cannot survive long and then die after receiving treatment. Because the average COVID-19 patient in Bangkalan, Madura is only willing to go to the hospital when his condition is severe and very severe. This was known after the local government coordinated and evaluated the hospital management. Indeed, before the Eid holiday, there were 0 active cases of COVID-19 in 4 districts on Madura Island. So, the East Java Provincial Government COVID-19 Task Force determined that Madura Island was included in the green zone. But now, the number of people affected by COVID-19 is increasing every day. We can see from accumulative data from June 4, 2021 until June 6, 2021. The first data on June 4, 2021, there were 1,750 people who positive COVID-19. Patient recovered was 1,517 people. On June 5, 2021, there were 1,754 people who positive COVID-19. Patient recovered was 1,520 people. Based on accumulative data as of June 6, 2021, the number of confirmed positive COVID-19 in Bangkalan is 1,779 people. Then, the number of patients recovered was 1,520 people. COVID-19 patients died 180 people. And active COVID-19 cases 79 people. From this accumulative data, we can know the progress the cases of COVID-19 in Bangkalan, Madura. Due to the surge in COVID-19 cases in Bangkalan, at the Suramadu Bridge, officer conducted a COVID-19 detection test for motorists who wanted to cross to Surabaya. In addition, the blocking is also carried out at the Kamal Port. Every passengers who want to cross from Surabaya to Madura or vice versa must carry out a COVID-19 detection test. Okay viewers, that is the news today. I am Eva and all of FSY Crusade. Thank you so much for your attention. Good luck for you.